Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to install an eSIM on your iPhone. After you purchase an eSIM, your provider will usually give you instructions to install it. In most cases, the easiest way is through the provider's app or a setup link sent to your email. Just open the app or tap the link and follow the guided steps to install the eSIM automatically. Some providers may instead give you a QR code. If that's the case, you'll need to open the QR code on another device or print it out, then scan it using your iPhone during setup. If you're using an iPhone running iOS 16 or later, you may also have the option to transfer an eSIM from another iPhone during setup. Just follow the on-screen prompts if that option appears. If the automatic setup or QR code option doesn't work, you can install the eSIM manually. To do this, open Settings on your iPhone and tap Cellular or Mobile Data. Then tap Add eSIM, choose Use QR Code, and tap Enter Details manually. Your eSIM provider will give you the information you need to enter, such as activation details. Make sure you do this while connected to the internet, preferably on your home Wi-Fi network, so the setup can complete properly. Once the eSIM finishes downloading and activating, you'll see it listed under your cellular plans, and it'll be ready to use. And that's how you install an eSIM on an iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.